Now this is my sole of sandal, and I made a slip stitch all around of the sole. Now I will make another slip stitch around here, so I will put my needle here and make a slip stitch. And from the back side, it will look like this. So make it all over. Shoe sole, like do it from here to this side. Now my middle part of the shoe like this is completed. Now I will make the upper part of the shoe. So I will make 27 chain for the upper part of sandal. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 27 chain. I made 47 chain. Now I will make skip one in the second, make single crochet in all stitches till to the end of the line. So make single crochet in all stitches. Now I completed my first row, so do it for one time more, then I will tell you what to do. Chain 1 and again in the next make single crochet till to the end. Now I did my second row. Now chain 1 2 3 4 5 and make a slip stitch in the first one. This is the buttonhole. Now cut the yarn and from the back side stitch it or tie it, it's up to you. Now make 2 straps for right and left. 2 straps for right and left. Make 15 chain. 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. Make 15 chain and 1 single crochet for 2 rows. 1 single crochet, make 2 rows of single crochet in every stitch. So make 2 straps for the right and left. Now I made 2 straps, 1 and 2. One is right and one is for left. I will count from this side. This is the middle of my shoe sole. So I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 in 9, like this, 9, 8 and 7. I will stitch it to 8. So now see, I will stitch it here with the 8th one, like this, and 7th, stitch it from the other side too. Like this. Now my both sides are ready. Now I will put this into the straps. Like this. Now I will stitch this one, this side, to the strap to make it tight. Like this. Now pull it from it, and put a button over here. And when you see that this size is enough for the baby back, so also stitch this one so it will not move. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the 8th one, insert the hook. Insert the hook and make a now chain for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let me check it is enough, length is enough or not. Yes, it is quite enough. So from this side, if it is a right side, you will make it for the left, and if it is a left, you will make it for the right. So make, this is the middle, so I will make here. Now cut it and pull a loop through it like this and tied it with the yes, it is okay. Once again, to make it tight, not to lose the. Now this is my cute little shoe. Little sandal for your 0 to 3 months. Now make a button here, so it will look like this. I hope you will like it, and I will be see you in next video with new pattern inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.